Gonna be technicals number 2. Now we're up on Nasdaq. This is our first practice account. We are gonna try to see if our entries are on point, if whatever we are go over is actually working. And we're gonna do like one of this, we'll try for one of this every day. If we actually get a win, like a percentage of win rate and lose rate, and we're gonna keep track of it, just so we can see how well what we are learning or what we know are gonna play in effect. So Nasdaq is now 1:33 p.m. in the evening at the best time for trade, because most of the volume might be gone, but once we see the setup we can take it, right? So on the daily, today red, but yesterday was green. So usually me would have look for a trade based on the previous day. It's red today, but as we know, in a trading world, we're not really stuck on like with direction. So me I look for something green, and this is the reason why when I go up on the daily time frame, there's a consolidation on the daily, which proved to me say there's a up and down movement going on the daily. There's a consolidation range, so we should get a move up. We got these 3 breakouts, which are false breakouts, because none of these produced a downtrend, and this is a false one too. It didn't produce the continuation of the uptrend at the time. So me I look for a move, like a move back, even just move back up to a range like up here. So not need to be a full range. It can be just a move to this. Say the candle would have been starting down here. So even if we get this to flip, that's a good move. You understand? If we get this to turn from red to green and even done right there, so that's a good piece of food right there. So on the daily, we notice consolidation range. Yesterday was green, so we're also at the support of this daily range. So we probably, if this one break through and run down, we'll look for something going back up even to an eye where we can work with, to our previous eye. So we'll take off them join there, because when I use daily range, we use 4-hour range. On the 4-hour range, we're going to zoom into areas closer to we, which we're going to start here. So I'm going to use the support right here, so for the reasons that this was a solid support, but we have wicks, candles that came down and returned from this area. So we can't use this. If we start from this, yeah, so then if we pull across, I same thing via so too. And if we tap, so we have a resistance created and a retest of that resistance. So and that I work with. I work with the area where we get a confirmation, a return. To be the confirmation, so there was a return, yeah, so at the range I use. This one go up some more. Alright. That I use, and then this week right here, touch right there, whatever. This was a breakout, but it was a false breakout because price did not continue to move up. So we know I work with that. 1 hour. This is my type of candle, yeah. See price start move up from that, but since you're already late, I wanna take entries from the 1 hour candle. We just have to go on 1 out. So we're gonna look for next best entry. But you can see the same setup. Support, resistance, support. So I'm look for something to go back up, at least up so. We're at 811 now, 24813, so 870, 850. Anything running so good enough. 30 minutes, a new 30 minutes just open. We probably can get a move from here, but we're zoned down on it. We already know, so we want to try and move up. So we need to see something confirming that move up. Alright. Now here's something confirming the move up from 1. we talked about this already. After a few green candles, we need some rectangles to create a support. We need rectangles. Price have to move down a little bit first before we continue to move up. So since we have this trailer green, we have a little bit of red to introduce some sellers, and then now we need to take out the sellers them out of the market in order to push up some more. Now, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a number value, but I like to get the entry from here. So let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can get it. It's not see if still enough, cause it push up and reach it, but we'll try still. From this CM candle, big like body, small top wick, big bottom wick. We'll try. We'll use one contract. It's a stop by one. Now the aim is I'm gonna use a number value. I want like the stop loss are gonna be below this area if I can get it to push up. Hopefully it's like $100 or $200, and then we put my TP like up as well. You know, but make we see what we get. Alright, something we need to point out when it comes to Nasdaq kind of tricky. So you might look at it and feel like, okay, it's going to move in this direction, and then it does move the next way. As I said, Nasdaq is a combination of Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia. So depending on how they contract them company they move, it will affect this. So price start push down now, which we expect the think you'd push down from this point, create a next support test and move up, but I guess we should wait until we get down to this point, making this area as a support or not. If we see what else the two left. Right, that's what based on the where I look for over here, so it's an area of return. So make we see. But let's draw one line so I can remember it. And put to this so. Make we see if we get reversals from either one of these points here. We can remember they have a buy stop here, so they end up remove it because the price already moved one and now a second red candle down, so this can't be my entry again because you know break above it anymore after you never break back above it. So me just go and wait now if we can get something formulated right here, so or if it will give me it right here, so that's what I'm with pan. Alright, so price push down so now, so when we get a reaction, which is what I like to see, the next candle open up, but I like to see push down a little bit. I would have liked a top wick first, but yeah, I gotta work with what we get. So I'm gonna put a buy stop above this candle. Buy stop. Oh shit, see that? Go back down, turn red, turn red, turn red, turn red, turn red, turn red. We want to go back down. Good. Now we set a buy stop, one contract. Now if we flip, we are gonna do as we say, this is an area based on this, so resistance, turn, support. The top wick is important to enter any trades, or bottom wick. If price push down now, break the low, come back up. If we break the higher, then we in for a good push up. By then we set my stop loss and we take profit. As I say, my stop loss generally around 2 bills or so. So depending upon what they give me for work with you, so me take profit. Take profit can be up to this week, but you know, we not set our mind upon it. If we can get it, we exit out of the trade before this, we good. Alright, so look good so far. We just don't want to go too far now. Just don't want to go too far now. Because if it's shoot down below this, we can't. We have to take off this and wait. So I hope this resistance is a strong enough support level for price to push back up. That may have wait on. But if it breaks below it and close, then we know so we can't use it. So alright. Like we see where really go on now. So see break below it now. You can see if it fly or if it have a turn back. You can see if it break, if it fly or if it turn back. Watch and see. Watch and see. But this is a basic way of my trade. Like when I'm up on the 5 minute now, this is just to like explaining purposes. Me usually use it on the 15 minute because the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. So me just use this way can explain something. So now we're pushing back up. I set my stop loss to 2 bills. 2 bills, and now I can set my TP to about 4. I'll set it to this higher. I'll set it to that the higher there. Actually basically 4 bills. To make we see, once you reach halfway, if I need have more than one contract, I do partials, but now I don't have it, so I'll move my stops to break even. Just in case if it turn back, I don't lose no money. You have some people who trail the price, like they would have trail and follow behind it. So if you come back down, they would have come out and trade some money. But we are trying to see it out. We are trying to see if we can get what we want. You know. Make sure we can get this a week, yeah. Like the top of the week, yeah. And I carry our 4 bills. If we can get yes, so we're good. If you get me, I say. But just to show you live trading, how my brain process things, certain rules I may set for myself. Alright, like we are struggle right so as if the price want to turn back, but sometimes you have to allow your trade little space, little time, because you're gonna get little up and down. So during the time I know you just keep calm, you see me? Although probably when I just start trade, I go nervous about them thing there. But for me, I'm not gonna lose nothing because I'm already at break even. I'm not gonna lose, so not losing the money is a win. And now, what me can do if it is that, let me see if I get break even. Alright, so we get break even. But what me could I do in the trader is if me really did think the price I gonna move up on, like if Mr. say it have fluctuate and me say probably it has struggle a little bit, when I just move the take profit line to the previous high where it go, and probably take 2 bills out if you get me I say. So things like that. Me go try say me can't spot nothing. After take a next trade and live again and see I'll show you, but genuinely me think the price still I gonna move up, but that's that kind of move away sometime. I think if you re-enter, this probably can re-enter, you know. Let me say 15 minute. 15 minute show say price probably move back down a little bit more. But the tight thought process, bro. The tight thought process. So we really should I get something to fill out with you and with a good, but yeah. So we do it.